When you walk into a building and you look up at the ceiling, you see disparate things spread everywhere. We call it ceiling acne. When folks are designing the building, they don't intend for that to be the case. But you have a proliferation of different types of technology driven by certain trends. Access to internet and Wi-Fi, fire and life safety systems, lights, of course. Now you have more things like microphones or speakers. We think if you aggregate that, it's a better way to organize what's in the ceiling and give a better quality ceiling product. When you look at how we build buildings, that process hasn't changed much in decades. Usually it's built in a stick-built way, on a ladder, and you're literally doing it like this. There is a much better way to do this inside a factory where we can take our time. The quality of the installation is elevated because it's in a controlled environment. Engaging with Overcast, the concept is simple. Early engagement is better. First step is we gather the details of the project. What is the building for? What's its programming? How big is it? Based on the reflected ceiling plan, we put a layout together. After that point, we now have a basis on which to figure out, okay, do you like what this looks like? Does this forward your design intent? We do this as the cost of doing business. This doesn't cost the project anything. Next step here, our business development team works initially to collect the details, and then we hand that to sales engineering. So Josh will take it from here.
My name is Josh Bolton. I'm a sales engineer with Overcast Innovations. I help guide the customer through early designs and concept layouts and understand the technicalities of our products. It's really diving into the engineered drawing sets and understand what is required of those spaces. To understand those requirements can really help drive our product selection and layout. Once we start publishing design documents, James Rooney, an applied engineer, comes on board to where he can start understanding the current project that we're working on.
I am James Rooney. Around 90 to 100% CD, I'll jump in. I'll finalize the cloud locations. I'll finalize all the different finishes that go along with that. Make sure everyone's on the same page of what's going where. And then bring in our actual procurement to get these products produced and delivered in a timely manner for on-time delivery.
James takes us through Clash and things are set where they're going to be. Now we're dealing with logistics. Project management takes over from there, and it's all about working with the site superintendent and foreman to make sure that our delivery is on time. Ultimately at Overcast, we want to help deliver a lower cost product at a higher quality, at a much better sustainability, decarbonizing the construction process, all while maintaining an aesthetic as determined by the design team and giving the owner adaptability for the life of their ownership.